The strong would lead the trend when the time is stepping forward. The elite would command the world when the dreams are hovering. In the early 21st century, Linqiu, Shandong Province, the industrial base of aluminum profiles, a large enterprise with national brand, Shandong Huajian Aluminium Group, leaped into glorious foundation during the heyday. Huajian Aluminium Group, first established in 2000, has developed into a large and world-renowned enterprise with multiple operations after over 10 years' endeavor. Aluminum profiles are mainly focused on during production and operation, which concerns the following industries: aluminum profile production, real estate development, building adhesive, machinery manufacturing, finance, investment, business and trade, exhibition, technical service, etc. The enterprise scale is expanding rapidly with a ceaselessly wider operation scope. Huajian Aluminium Group, advancing triumphantly, has become a resplendent star in China's aluminum industry. Huajian Aluminium Group's rapid rise has aroused comprehensive attention from the society. Leaders of different levels and social celebrities, such as Zhang Goli, member of the Political Bureau of Central Committee, Wu Guanzhang, a former member of the Political Bureau of the Central Committee of the CPC, and former Secretary of the Commission for Discipline Inspection of the Central Committee of the CPC, visited Huajian successively as noble guests, offering high evaluations to our company's achievement. Huajian Aluminium Group is singing loudly, advancing bravely, and composing the glorious chapter of the time with its entire passion. Innovation activates higher and further ideals, and quality beats the world. Huajian Aluminium Group, as the leading enterprise in the industrial base of aluminum profiles in China, has been ushering in the protein market demands via its abundant strength, with remarkable contributions to the development of China's aluminum industry. State-of-the-art devices to achieve efficient production. Efficient production stems from the state-of-the-art devices. Huajian Aluminium Group has introduced the leading devices with the internationally leading technical function for production and scientific research from Britain, France, Switzerland, Israel, Japan, etc. The entire productive process, including fluorocarbon coating, vertical coating, and wood grain coating, is managed by microcomputers and numerical control, laying a firm foundation for efficient production and the highest quality. Scientific and technical innovations to accomplish perfect products. Science and technology are the primary productive forces. The staff of Huajian has treated innovation as the soul of development, highly emphasized by the integration of enterprises, universities, and research institutes, and owned the state-of-the-art experimental and checkout devices. By virtue of powerful strength of technology, research and development, and depending on the High Standard Center of Technical Research and Development and Technical Research Center of Aluminum Profile Engineering, the staff of Huajian has diligently polished the quality of more than 12,000 types, composing 150 series such as anodizing, electrophoretic coating, powder coating, fluorocarbon coating, and heat insulation extrusion profiles of goods. Proactively optimized the product mix, quickly updated the products, and become a star enterprise in Shandong Province with a Chinese patent. The Gabriel windows, doors, and curtain walls system and the Shaya aluminum wooden cladding windows and doors system, researched and developed by Huajian itself, own absolute proprietary intellectual property rights, fully respect the see-no Western differences, emphasize humane needs, promote personalized designs, directing the industry of architectural doors, windows, and curtain walls to be economical, environment-friendly, and energy-saving, which has been widely favored by the customers. And the company's unique system of software development and all-around technical support and service system are initially and exclusively created in our country. Meanwhile, Huajian Aluminium Group has continuously extended its industrial chain, proactively changed the way of development, adjusted the structure, vigorously developed industrial profiles, and constantly optimized the product mix based on the smooth production of architectural aluminum profiles and targeted at the enormous market demands in such industries as high-speed rail industry, aviation industry, electronics industry, light industry, etc. The company also engaged in the draft and amendment to many national standards and industry standards, such as aluminum and aluminum alloy terms and security specifications on aluminum processing, becoming an important member of the National Committee of Non-Ferrous Metal Standardized Technology. Scientific management to pursue outstanding quality. Huajian Aluminium, devoted to building a classic modern enterprise, has been authorized by ISO 9001 International Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environment Management System, and OHSMS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. The company has realized scientific and standard management of an enterprise, provided reliable guarantee for the remarkable quality, and obtained the identification as a AAA enterprise of standardized and good commercial behavior by Shandong Bureau of Quality Technical Supervision. Honest service to create high-quality goods product. Located in Shandong Province and edified by Confucian culture, Huajian Aluminium Group has unswervingly stuck to honest operation, boundless courtesy, and weighty righteousness. Over 40 agencies have been set up around the country, and a 24-hour customer service line has been provided. Besides, the market flow service system has been established to provide the timely, convenient, and high-quality service for the customers. The products have been well sold all over the country and exported to over 40 countries and regions: Asia, Africa, North and South America, Europe, and Oceania. Huajian Aluminium have been widely applied to many celebrated engineering construction sites, including 2008 Beijing Olympic Games venues, 2009 National Games venues, 2010 Shanghai World Expo venues, the new site of CCTV building, the American Embassy in China, etc. Huajian Aluminium remarkably accomplished the largest overseas building assistance and construction project launched by China, the processing task of doors and windows of 300,000 square meters of the social welfare housing project in Angola, Africa, which was highly praised by the head and chief of the government from over 10 countries who visited the site. The tolerant could embrace everything, and the generous could hold everything. Huajian Aluminium Group has centered on people-oriented, vigorously boosted the construction of harmonious culture, and greatly stimulated the cohesive force and creativity of the staff, vitalizing the enterprise. Value the talents, animating the enterprise, and create the high-quality staff. Implement democratic management and hearken cordially to the voices of the staff. Hold colorful recreational and sports activities and establish the platform where employees could strut their stuff. Set up the fund of love and mutual assistance and promote solidarity, concern, and care. In Huajian Aluminium Group, the employees enjoy the comfortable work, the happy life, and are close like members of one family. The staff of Huajian has deeply known that success of the enterprise is inseparable from the support from various circles of the society. They have always borne in mind the mission and responsibility saddled upon them and actively engaged in earthquake relief work, helping the weak and disabled, the HOPE Project, national defense education, city infrastructure construction, environment protection, and other social public undertakings, using their practical actions to show the responsibility of the corporate citizens. Huajian Aluminium Group, with meticulous cultivation and broad-minded spirit, is to pursue successful wide expansion, to bear heavy responsibilities with loftiness, amiability, and great love, to show the leader's sagacity with the spirit of noble enterprising. At the peak of aluminum industry, Huajian Aluminium Group has been developing unremittingly and creatively this aim of positive role in China's economic construction via its impeccable industrial layout, exquisite products, and high-quality service. Huajian Aluminium Group makes the world to witness the glory of China creation. Huajian Aluminium Group is developing with exuberant vitality like the rising sun. The employees of Huajian, involved in the tide of the global market, bravely and step by step, are struggling for rejuvenating the national brand and the target of creating a century brand in Chinese aluminum industry with the spirit of seeking for increasing perfection.